Hello, fellow architecture enthusiasts. Welcome to MHYSMQH channel, where we explore how building design blends form, function, and perfect harmony with the surrounding environment. Perched gracefully on gentle hills, this stunning modern minimalist residence boasts clean lines and sophisticated elegance. A wide driveway leads to the spacious carport, while the lush tropical garden features a mesmerizing mini waterfall. Majestic mountains form a breathtaking backdrop, creating a perfect harmony between luxury architecture and nature. Step into absolute elegance. This living room exudes warmth and class with its sleek contemporary design, plush furniture, and soft ambient lighting. Large windows frame the lush greenery outside, bringing the tropical view indoors. It is a perfect sanctuary for relaxation, offering a tranquil atmosphere that feels both grand and incredibly inviting. This is truly the heart of the home, a magnificent open-concept space where the family area flows seamlessly into a modern, fully equipped kitchen. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors slide open completely, connecting the interior comfort directly to the vast backyard. It creates an airy, vibrant space perfect for gathering, cooking, and making precious memories. Indulge in a spa-like experience every single day. This bathroom is a masterpiece of modern design, featuring premium fixtures, a relaxing bathtub, and sleek stone textures. Natural light fills the space, enhancing the clean and fresh atmosphere. It perfectly blends functionality with opulence, offering a private oasis where you can unwind and refresh your body and mind. Experience ultimate luxury in this serene master suite. Designed as a private retreat, it features high-end finishes, a comfortable king-sized bed, and expansive glass walls that showcase panoramic mountain views. The design promotes restful sleep with calming colors and natural breeze, turning every night into a peaceful escape and every morning into a beautiful awakening. Discover your own paradise under the sky. This stunning back terrace is crowned with a transparent roof equipped with heat-resistant insulation, allowing you to enjoy sunlight without the heat. Surrounded by dense tropical plants and overlooking rolling hills, it is the ideal spot to dine, relax, and soak in the fresh mountain air in absolute comfort.